You know what? You are amazing, awesome, and capable of doing anything and everything. And I truly believe in your beauty and your intelligence which resides within you. You are completely awesome and so very powerful. You know why I'm saying all these things to you? Yeah, you will be at the end of the video. So someone has truly said that the greatest form of gift is appreciation. The greatest form of gift is not to share our riches but help people reveal theirs. So, most of the time we do not understand the beauty of appreciation and even we just neglect it. But the thing is that when we appreciate people, there is a different kind of positivity. At the same time, people get inspired by that, and even if they do not have those skills, still they walk towards that. How beautiful is that? Isn't it amazing? So I would like to share my own experience with you all. So when I joined my college and I was there at the first semester, there was one senior and she used to appreciate me so much. Even I was very dumb at so many different things. Still she used to tell, oh, you are very good at this skill and you are going to do this and you have all the skills and the potential. And constant nurturing of that kind really helped me in becoming more confident and that unshakable attitude. And you know what? Over a period of time, I started believing that yes, I have those skills and I can create something substantial. So because of that constant nurturing, constant appreciation and helping me uncover my own potential, I was able to become more self-aware, at the same time work on my weaknesses and on my strengths, and that realization that yes, I'm good at these things but I am underestimating myself. So that really helped me, and from that time I realized that how powerful it is to appreciate people. What does it take? It doesn't take much. We just need to appreciate people, help them uncover their true potentials, because we all have some skill sets which we are amazing at. It's not that everybody is good or bad or something. We all have something really amazing and with something which we lack. So isn't it our duty to help people amplify their strengths so that they can become confident, they can become more self-aware and create a wave of positivity across the globe? So I'm really grateful for that senior. At the same time, I realized that I know I have to appreciate people to make them realize, and I love it when I say somebody that yes, you are amazing, you are awesome and you are able to do anything which you want, because divinity resides within you. There is nothing which we cannot do because you are the part of divine. Just wake up and realize your true potential. Why are you so afraid of? What are you fearful of? Why are you feeling so conscious about so many things? Wake up and realize your true potential. But you know what? Many a time what happens is we doubt our own self. At that time, we need just one person. Even one person is sufficient who is telling you, yes, you can do it because I believe in you. So you never know, your one word of appreciation can create miracles, and the positivity and the chain reaction of positivity across the globe. So never shy away from appreciating people, no matter how small it is. And in actuality, when you appreciate people, it's not about that person, it's about praising the divinity, it's about honoring the divine, honoring the creator. So never shy away from appreciating people. We talk a lot about that there is so much of negativity in the world, but what is our responsibility? Don't you think that it is our responsibility to help each other, to encourage each other and help them realize their own true potential? Just promise me, from now onwards, you keep on encouraging and appreciating people, no matter how small or big it is, because it matters, it creates a difference. And start appreciating each other, because tomorrow is promised to none of us and we are not here forever. Thank you so much for watching the video. Now just like, comment, share and subscribe so that you don't miss anything. Lots of love and blessings.